Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and I am excited. I have been trying to get a macro to work to put this to the top left corner for months, and I never could get it to get there. I could get it to get there, but if I change the shape and size, it would not do it. And if you're like me and you draw in the center of the page and you're putting your text in the center, and that's the reason I draw in the center. But I made a macro and I gave it a hotkey alternate T and it put it in the top left corner. Now I've always been able to do that, but if I made the plaque bigger, it wouldn't work. Alternate T and it still works. And so I'm going to show you how to draw this or record this macro. My macros are right here. Yours are going to be under Tools, Macros, Macro Manager, Macro Record. But we're going to use mine up here. I'm going to start recording. Now I've already got one for top left, so I'm going to go top left 2. You can't have any spaces in your name of it. Press OK. As soon as you hit OK, you're recording. I've got my object origin to the top left node. I'm going to type in the number 0, 0. Put it to the top left corner. Now that's where the macro, I've always been able to do that. But now open up a range, align and distribute Docker. Align it to the left, align it to the right or to the top, and align to page edge. Macro done. Let's give it a few tests. Let's put it to the center of the page. I don't have a hotkey for it yet, so you go to Macro Manager. There's my top left 2. There it is. Let's give it the ultimate test. Top left 2. Now to make a short key for that, you just left click and assign a shortcut key. And there's a video on how to do that. Anyway, I actually got to see Mr. Brewer, one of my mentors this week. So I'm going to say what he normally says after his video is project complete. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.